Hi, my name is Christopher Marte. I'm New York State Director of the Arena. I represent the 65th Assembly District in the State Committee. The last presidential election has taught us a lot. The power of political branding, using targeting tactics for persuasive content, and that there are many ways to galvanize voters in the digital age. If there's one thing that we can all walk away with, other than the notion that anything is possible, it's that video content is essential for running a successful campaign. Not all budgets are created equal, but believe it or not, you probably already have the tools that you need to create your next campaign video. Your smartphone. Every political campaign follows the same formula. First, you'll need a script, something that helps tell us the story, explain a position, or separates you from your opponent. Once you've written your script, consider using a Fiverr voiceover artist, and you won't have to deal with the hassles of not having a proper microphone. Always shoot in landscape mode. Clean your lens. Don't use the zoom function. It's a digital zoom, not an optical zoom, and this will degrade your image. Use the exposure lock. Put your phone in airplane mode because you don't want to be disturbed. Stabilize with a gimbal or a tripod. Get quality sound with a microphone upgrade. You'll want some still images of the candidate that will be animated for transition shots. These shots range from the candidate giving speeches to the community to old photographs. The point here is that the candidate has a history with the community. Third, you'll want B-roll. Dynamic and engaging B-roll can take any video from amateur to professional. So make sure you get a lot of diverse footage, both outdoors and indoor locations. Anything that reminds the viewer that the candidate knows and loves their community. And last but not least, you'll want to include a dialogue shot of the candidate talking to a voter. There are 3 critical shots needed here. First, get a wide shot of the candidate talking to the voters. Second, get a shot of the candidate from over the voter's shoulder. And 3, get a shot of the voter from over the candidate's shoulder. Keep these things in mind once the camera is rolling. Location. Always make sure to shoot during the day and always in landscape mode. Lighting. Use a bright light, like an LED light. Editing, special effects. Simple software like iMovie usually does the trick. But for more advanced special effects, check out Fiverr's video category. Music. There are plenty of stock music sites to choose from. For a more original piece, there are thousands of talented composers, producers, and musicians to choose from on Fiverr. Remember, the most important thing is video quality. Always take more shots than are needed. And if you're looking to elevate your campaign branding, speech writing, or social media marketing, Fiverr is a great place to start.